Hello there! In today's video, I'm excited to walk you through the process of connecting PayPal to eBay. This is an incredibly useful skill that can streamline your online shopping experience and make transactions smoother. So let's dive right into it. The very first step is to log into your eBay account using your credentials. You have several options for signing in: email, Facebook, Google, or even Apple. If you haven't set up an account yet, now is the perfect opportunity. You can create either a personal or a business account. To do this, you'll need to provide your full legal name, business email or another working email, and a secure password. After filling out these details, simply click the Create button. Once your account is ready, head over to the Payment Options section. Having a PayPal account linked means you can use it to easily pay for items on eBay. By connecting your PayPal account, you won't need to enter your payment details each time you reach the checkout, which saves time and effort. To link your PayPal account to eBay, navigate to the Payment Information and Payment Options sections. Scroll down until you find the Add a Payment Option link, which appears after your preferences and payment reports. Click on this link. I already have my Payer account connected, but for those who are new, this is a straightforward method to connect PayPal to eBay. Another efficient way to connect PayPal to eBay is through Zapier. If you have a Zapier account, click the orange button to create integrations between PayPal and eBay. This allows you to automate workflows effortlessly. You can start with your email or Google account for free and explore endless possibilities. In Zapier, a trigger is where automation begins. Here, it's the PayPal account. The action is eBay. Simply click on Connect these apps, title your Zap, and set PayPal as the trigger and eBay as the action. Once you connect and authenticate these apps, Zapier will handle the workflow automation for you, allowing you to sit back and relax. Finally, if you prefer using PayPal directly as your payment method, go to the item you wish to purchase. At the checkout section, enter your account information. If you'd like eBay to remember your payment details for future transactions, simply select the Remember Me box. And there you have it. That's a wrap for today's video on connecting PayPal to eBay. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a great day.